This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So I just given a prompt to ChatGPT. Please write a logic in JavaScript, shuffle a string given below, and give a 6-digit number on every refresh. Right. Let us go and hit the enter. They written the logic like this. If I can copy paste the code, will it do the same job? Okay, I don't know. Let's copy the code. Create a HTML file. Save the file. otp.html is a file. I'm keeping the code. Okay, right. So this is the thing. Let's run the file. Maybe if we can run the file, open in default viewer, press F12 in the console, or you get 6-digit number. Yes, you are getting. But every refresh, yeah, you are getting every time different number. No? You're getting every time a different number. I'm getting. This is a thing, but you have to understand the logic properly. How much logic he written? Yeah, this is the logic he written actually. Shuffle a string logic is going to be like this. You see what I am going to write here. One more logic I am writing. Okay, try to watch it carefully. There is a very big logic. How many number of lines of code? Almost all around 25 number of lines of code is there. Okay, let us write my logic. Myself, I am writing the logic for this. This is what a string. How to convert the string into an array? Sorry, how to convert string into an array? Join method. I'm telling you again. Don't forget the uses of join method, split method. One of the mostly asked interview question. Without this interview question, there is no interview. Without this question, what is join? What is split? What is my question? How to convert the string into an array? Split method. Okay. str dot split split without space. Then it is going to give you an array. Na? Array. Log the array. Console dot log of arr. Arr. Now are you going to get the array? So you are getting the, sorry, not this is the file. You run this file. You run this file, and in the console you are getting the array. All the values in the array are going to be like this. I want to shuffle this array. How can I shuffle this array? Shuffle this array. How do I shuffle the array? Ah, arr is equal to arr dot sort. Very good. Sort. We have a function. In the function, we are going to write return math dot random math dot random minus 0.5. Now what is the array now? You see array values are shuffling now. Are the values of the array shuffling? I think new array. Take this shuffled array. This is going to be take new array. And this is the resulted array. Actually, we have to print this. I printed old array. Now you see, if I can refresh the page now, are the values are shuffling? Hey, what is happening? Math.random function, I forget. Sorry. You have to write the function actually. If I can refresh, now values are shuffling. Now. Values are shuffling. All the values are shuffling. They are not in the same position shuffling. So this is an array contains shuffled values. Contains shuffled values. How to convert the array into string? New array dot join without space. All the numbers are shuffling. All the numbers are shuffling, right? After shuffling all the numbers, what I have to do? This is a string now. This is a string actually. This is a convert the array into a string. From this string, what I have to write? The logic. Sorry? Yeah, I applied substring here. 4 comma 6 or something. Console.log of OTP if you can write it. Now you are getting the OTP. So every time Sorry, as what is this going to be? str already declared. Okay, fine. Then str1, no problem. Take any variable str1 dot should be str. Now if you can refresh every time, you're getting, see, refresh the page, you're getting the same data again. It's also getting shuffled. Like this also we can make. See, first I'm converting the string into an array. If it is an array, I can get a random. Because of this random 0.5, it will shuffle the array values. After shuffling the array, again I'm converting the array into string. From the string, I'm getting the substring. Write it quickly. You write this logic. Of course, that logic is also okay. Slice is going to be, of course you can use slice. Then you have to write 4 comma slice. If you can write, that is 4 starting position, end position. Identity substring low. This is the position, start position. Identity length. 4 comma 6 అంటే fourth position నుంచి 6 characters వస్తాయి. అదే నీకు అందులో స్లైస్ రాయాలంటే అప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి? 4 కామా ప్లస్ 10 అంటే 4 కామా 10 అంటే యూ విల్ గెట్ 6 ఎగ్జాక్ట్. 4 కామా 11 మేబీ. You have to think like this. Slice also we can use, but you have to apply the different way. Then see the same logic in shortcut లో ఎలా రాయొచ్చండి in one line. See all of you. What it will do? It will split the array into, sorry, it will split the string into an array. Array dot sort. ఇది మనం ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా, arrow ఫంక్షన్ కదా. Write like this. Again, join method. Again, sub str method and 4 comma 6. Is it okay? If I can print OTP console.log OTP. Is it okay now? OTP. What is the output I can get here again? Same OTP you are getting within one line. How can we write the same logic? Real time low, you'll always see this type of logics only. You'll see this type of logics only. See, so math.random, I'm writing like this. Actually, if it is an arrow function, if you have only one statement, you can write like this also. Okay, now don't forget this. This is also valid. We don't want return. We don't want function keyword. We don't want parentheses. If you have only one statement in the function body. First, we are converting the string into array. Upon the array, we are applying sort method with the shuffling logic. After sorting the array, we are converting again that into string. After converting the string, again we are getting the substring from a string. This is the beauty of JavaScript. How many number of lines of code you written here? But what are you doing there? Just in one line, we are making the things clear. Then, Asara, right. So this is a shorthand. This is shorthand. This is expanded way. Okay, detailed. Same thing I written in shortcut like this. 99% you will see this type of logics only in the real time. And if you want to understand this, first you have to understand this. That's why I asked you to write first this is, after this is. Okay. Yesterday also for what? For one logic we written the same thing. What is that is? Removing empty spaces from the string. We written expanded, we written shorthand, right? Okay. Yeah. Next one. The concept. Date time library in JavaScript. How to get the current date? How to get the future date? How to get the past date? When you born? When you born? June 20? June 14. ఇక 4 రోజుల్లో ఉంది జూన్ ఇంకా చాలా టైం ఉంది కదా వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఇయర్ 2000 ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ రైట్ ఆన్ వాట్ డే యూ బోర్న్ సండేనా మండేనా ట్యూస్డేనా I want to know programmatically. No, no, no. I want to know programmatically. If you can give your date of birth, I want to tell you on which day you born. On which day you born. What's the time right now? 11:20. Okay, now. So, had your breakfast? Had your breakfast? Had your lunch? No. Had your snacks evening? Because ఈవినింగ్ అప్పుడు ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటామంటారా లంచ్ అంటే ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ అవ్వకుండా లంచ్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం హౌ కెన్ వి టేక్ లంచ్ వితౌట్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ రైట్ ఐమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ అబౌట్ ద స్నాక్స్ టీ బ్రేక్ ఈవినింగ్ టీ బ్రేక్ హ్యాడ్ యువర్ టీ బ్రేక్ టెల్ మీ వన్ థింగ్ which country people are sleeping right now? America, Canada, they are sleeping. Okay, which country people are having their breakfast right now? Israel, UK, India is taking breakfast now. They are all completed, man. They are ready to take their dinner, lunch. Sorry, Indians are ready to take their lunch. Indian people breakfast is completed, right? Okay. What it? Which country people are completed their lunch also? Singapore. Okay. Which country people are completed their evening snacks also? ఈవినింగ్ స్నాక్స్ అయిపోయినాయి వాళ్ళకి ఏ కంట్రీ వాళ్ళకి విచ్ కంట్రీ పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ UK people sleeping, wake up, are taking snacks, are taking breakfast. I want to know everything programmatically by using date and time in JavaScript library. We can get all the country times, different country times, which country people are in, what time zone they are in, what they are doing, sleeping. Hmm? Nothing but by see, how do I know they are sleeping? And by seeing their time. If night is 10 p.m., they're sleeping, right? They're sleeping, right? Exactly like this we will say. What is the time right now? 11:21. What is the time in Bangladesh right now? What is the time in Sri Lanka? What is the time in Pakistan, Karachi? But they're all neighborhood countries of India. That's why I'm asking you. Hmm. Time in Bangladesh. Hey, tell me what is east in this room? East facing. Hmm. Where is Madhya Pradesh in this room? I want to go Madhya Pradesh from this room. This direction, this or this. This direction. You will go Bay of Bengal. In this room, what is north? Nothing. I just want to know what happened. I mean, because we want to talk about times, right? Generally, times are east west, not the south. Google Map low. You see any Google Map on top, always will show you north. Hmm. North. Which side? North. Using compass. Okay, that's yes, that is north. So you are from this Madhya Pradesh is this is of course Bihar and everything on top of it, right? Yeah. Okay. You know, in India, we have north eastern country, eastern states. What are they are? Assam, Himachal Pradesh, maybe Manipur, Meghalaya, right? They're all the states. At what time you will see the sun in the Hyderabad? Nearly 7. Nearly 7. We will see the sun. Maybe if you are in villages, almost all by 6. And actually, if I am in my village, in the summer days only 5:45, I can see the sun. Early morning 5:45. Because of a coastal area, right? We can see the sun immediately 5:45 around in the summer days. Winter days, and okay, we cannot say it, right? Okay, but you see the not the states of eastern states like Assam, Meghalaya. If their time is 4:45, they can see the sun. 4:45. At early morning 4:45, they can see 4:45 or somewhere around or 4, or not 4, 5. They can see the sun, but we will see at 6 p.m. 6 a.m. Sorry, 6 a.m. Why? Because sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh first. Sunset, sun rising. Sun rising. Sunset. Gujarat. Gujarat. I don't know the area. Some city. Okay. Lastly, who will see the sun? Ante Gujarat people. First, who will see the sun? Ante Arunachal Pradesh people. General knowledge. Just we are discussing. Actually, this is not general knowledge session. All right. Just we are talking about it. Right. Okay. Actually, one proposal came from the eastern states. What is that? Actually, generally government office timings are opening 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. In eastern states, 9 a.m. until the sun is more high. But here, okay, moderate sun. But they have why? Because early morning 4 or 5 a.m. they will got the sunrise. At the time of 9, sun is very with a very good temperature. Right now for 9 a.m. for us okay, but those people 9 a.m. very nice. I mean what? It's look like afternoon for them. It's look like afternoon for them. They had a proposal. And one more thing, uh, for us evening 5 to 7 p.m. sunset, and we will see the light. Evening 6:30 also we can see the light. But those state people at 4:30 sunset, they will get the ఏమంటాం వాటిని మనం చీకటి పెడితే త్వరగా what we will call it will be night. అంటే by 4:35 they will got the light. I mean what we will say night dark, whatever it is. Okay, right. Actually they put one thing. They want to change the times of northeast states. If time, I mean Arunachal Pradesh time is going to be 9:30, our time is going to be 10:30. And 1 hour difference they are asking. Actually 1 hour, half an hour difference they are asking exactly. Half an hour somewhere. But this is not possible yet. This is not possible yet. Okay, one more thing. America. Everybody know kada? You know California? You know New York? The time in New York right now, for example, if the time in New York is, okay, let us Google otherwise. Go to the Google. Can we search for time in New York? Yeah. Yeah. What is the time in New York? 1:57 a.m. midnight. Deep sleep. Midnight deep sleep, right? You see, this is in America. California, you see this now. California, if you can see, what is the California time? 10:57 p.m. Still they are 29th March. New York people are 30th March, 1:20 or somewhere around. These people are 11 p.m. and they are in 29th March. Both are in America. Na? Both are in America. So California is in America and New York is in America. Like Jammu Kashmir, Kanyakumari. Jammu is one end, Kanyakumari is other end. Like New York is other end, California is other end of the country. They have 3 hours difference in the time zone. Okay, finally, why I am telling you this, guys, here, it's very important to understand. If you are developing a local application and a domestic application that is used in India, we don't have any problem because throughout India we have the same time zone. Throughout India we have the same time zone. When we are developing an international application which is used in multiple countries, you have to be very, very careful about the times. But our time is different, their time is different. We faced a real-time problem. Let me explain the problem. The time zone. Okay, right. Actually, we created a website for a client from Dubai. It's an online education platform, online tutoring platform actually. In the online tutoring platform, tutors will be there, students will be there. Tutors from worldwide, also students also from worldwide. Okay, so application developed in India. We developed actually as a team. 2013 or 14 somewhere we developed that application actually. Okay, generally, if you want to learn any course, you are coming to the website. What is the course you want to learn? PHP. Okay, JavaScript you want to learn. You are coming to the website, you are searching for the faculties, JavaScript trainers. The website is showing lot of faculties worldwide. Some of them India, some of them Africa, some of them UK, Europe, America, like this. Then it's showing. Okay, that's good. Okay, you are a student, I am a trainer. Let us assume you are the student, you are in Dubai. You are in Dubai, I am in India. What is the time difference between Dubai and India? 1.5 hours. Right now our time is 11:30. What is the Dubai time? 1.5 hour difference, Abba. 10 o'clock, exactly. Dubai time is exactly 10. Our time is 11:30. Okay. You are a student. Where are you? You are in Dubai. Okay, now I am the faculty. I am in India based in faculty. Okay. Actually, because you went to the website JavaScript Trainer, you will find lot of finders. You find my profile. Looks good. That's why you are scheduling a class with me. To schedule the class, you paid the money also. What is your in the website? I'm showing my available timings: 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. I'm showing. For example, you are booking a class with me on 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Okay, na? Okay. So after booking a class, you are paying the money also. But where are you? Dubai. I'm in India. What's the difference between India and Dubai? 1.5 hour. Student booking a class with me, 11 a.m. class. My available timings are what? 11 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. But student is choosing 11 a.m. class. Okay, he booked, we paid the money also. From tomorrow onwards, class should be started. Okay, tomorrow I came to the system 11 a.m. Okay, I sit the system. Student is not coming. Why not coming? What is the time of student at the time? Well, my time is 11 a.m. Ante. What is the time of the student? 9:30. Okay. I waited for 1 hour. The student didn't join. Okay, I left the session. When the time of student time 11, he is joining the session. Faculty is not coming. Faculty is not coming. So why faculty? He also waited for 1 hour. Faculty is not coming. The problem is what here? Time. Okay. When you are scheduling a class with me 11 a.m., I have to send an email to the student, an email to the faculty. Faculty, your time 11 a.m., a student has a class. What I have to send a mail to the student? Student, you have a class with 9:30 only. I have to send an email like this. I sent a mail. What is the mail I sent? 11 a.m. you have a class. 11 a.m. you have a class with a particular student. To the faculty and student, same mail I sent. The problem is what? 11 a.m. of the student is different. 11 a.m. of faculty is different. Then what we have to do, this is the problem faced. Immediately customer I identified the problem, and immediately we, within 1 or 2 days we see the solution. We find a solution for it. Otherwise it's a very big problem, right? Okay, one example. One more example I want. For example, you are creating a website for flight booking. Let us assume flight booking. I want to travel to Hyderabad to Dubai. Let us assume maybe 4 hours time, I think, maybe. Let us assume we have a supersonic flight, Hyderabad to Dubai, 1.5 hour journey. Okay, na? Right. You entered into the flight at 9 a.m. in Hyderabad. At what time you will reach in Dubai? Huh? 1.5 hour journey, abba. 9 a.m. You entered into the flight 9 a.m. You reach in Dubai 9 a.m. Huh? How? What is the time zone? What is the time zone? See the difference. You travel from Hyderabad 9 a.m. You entered into the flight. You travel to Dubai 1.5 hour. By reaching Dubai, what is the time of Dubai? 9:30. Sorry, 9. Here also 9. There also 9. How? Within a fraction of a second can I go to Dubai? There is a time zone. That's what the issues you should understand. Right? Somebody, a student from California is chatting with me. For me in Facebook, it is showing that today, what is today? 30th March. For him, what it has to show Facebook and the 29th March only it has to show. This time zone for him, my time zone for me. If I send an email today to the California person, what is I sent mail 30th March? What is the time they are receiving? 29th March. How they will receive 29th March? Okay, if I send mail today, will he receive in past? No, he has to receive in future, right? That's what the time zones. So we have to understand this concept. Okay? When you are creating a local application, no problem. When you are creating a domestic application, sorry, the local or domestic same, no problem. Keep it in mind, when you are creating an international application, you should be care of time zones, very important. It's going to be very, very important. So Singapore and India, what is the time difference? 4 hours, sir? What is the time in Australia right now? I think they are evening 7 or 6. Evening 7 p.m. Maybe I think evening 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Maybe New Zealand. Australia, 2 hours difference. Maybe if you can see time in Sydney. The time in Sydney, evening 5:04 p.m. What is time in Auckland? What is Auckland? 7:00 p.m. What is Auckland? Another city in New Zealand. What is the capital of New Zealand? Auckland. I don't know, but Auckland is one of the city available in New Zealand. Who will celebrate the New Year first in the world? Which country? Which country people will celebrate the New Year first? India, na? Well, who is the last one? California people is the last one. The first people are what? Obviously New Zealand people. New Zealand after Australia. Australia after Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, right? And after that China, Japan. After that Bangladesh also half an hour before us. The Bangladesh also they celebrate the New Year first of us. I mean, what is the time? 11:30. What's the Bangladesh time right now? 12 p.m. What is the Pakistan time? If our time is 11:30, Pakistan time is what? 11 a, half an hour difference. Pakistan time and India time, half an hour difference. Pakistan, India and Sri Lanka, same same time. India, Sri Lanka have same time zone, right? India time zone is having same time zone, guys. Okay, right? They will become like this. North to south, they will go. It will become like this. Actually, so this is north. This is south, na? This is south, but something. Okay, whatever the dimensions it may be, no need to worry about it. But just I'm telling, if you have an habit of watching map, you observe the map so that you will get more clarity if you can watch the map, right? So that's why we should understand the countries and their times also. That's why this concept is play a vital role. ఇల్లే కాదండి, ఇంకొకటి ఉంటుంది, ఏంటది? సమోవా ఐలాండ్, SAMOA, సమోవా. This is the first people who will celebrate the New Year. Of course, Samoa and New Zealand are same. They're all side by side islands or something, right? Right, like this. Okay, right. Let's move next. Date and time. To work with the date and time, at a point, in the 4 ways. Then, right. Let's show you in a small example of the same thing. Date object in JavaScript. Const d is equal to const or let or anything you can write it. New date d capital. D capital. Okay, right. First you do one thing, console.log print D. Print the D. Let us see what is the output we are going to get. What is the information you are going to get? Can you see now? You are going to get the current date and time information. Start Saturday, March 30, 2024, 11:41:51, GMT plus 5:30, Indian Standard Time, IST. You're getting like this. I don't want all this information. I want to get only date. I want to get only time. How to do this? There is a method d dot to locale. Hey, what is happening? Let's see. To locale string. To locale string is a method. Locale, L-O-C-A-L-E, locale string. Okay. Now, if you can refresh, what are you getting? You're getting both. Previously, console D. What are you getting? If you can hit console D, you are getting all the information because of the D. Now, because of toString method, you are getting only year, month, date, and we're getting like this. Okay, now there is one more method, toLocale time string, P capital S capital. What it can give you? Only the time. If you can write toLocale date string, what it can give you? It will give you the only date. If you want to get both, toLocale string. If you want to get only time, toLocale time string. If you want to get the only date, toLocale date string. Write this. Three methods you write it. toLocale string will return both date and time. What is the next one? Only time. This is going to give you only date. Only date. Done? Right. Three methods are there. Okay. So by using this, not only the current, this is giving current time, na? Current time, current date, current information it is giving, right? Sir, I want to get the time of America right now, time of Australia right now, time of New Zealand right now. Ante in this method, you see, d dot to local string or to local time string, anyone you can take it. It will accept an object. So in this object, we have something called time zone. What is the option called? Time zone. Time zone is going to be, you write which time zone you want to get. The first parameter EN US you can write it. First parameter you see UN hyphen US, English US. The first parameter. And if you are not passing anything, what are you going to get? You get the current time of India. And right now, where are you? Not only India. If you are executing this in America, you will get the America time right now. Okay. I'm passing like this. Time zone Asia slash Kolkata. This is the time zone identifier of the India. So obviously, what are you going to get? This is going to give you India time. Okay. If we can print IND, what is the output I can get? Console.log of IND. IND means what? You are going to get India time. You are getting India time. This is India time. I don't want India time, sir. I want to get America time. How do I get the America California time right now? California time I want to get. California is available in AMERIC, America slash the time zone you should know. I think Los Angeles, sir. Los ANGELES, Los Angeles. Los Angeles. So if you can write this California time, print this California time also. Can you get the California time? What is the California time? The California time 11:70. But what is the date? 29th. Still they are in 29th. I want to get New York time. How do I get the New York time? This is going to be America slash New York. New York. Now you are going to get the New York time. NEY. So if you can see this now, you are getting the New York. New York time is what? Early morning 2:18 a.m. 2:18. Deep sleep kada 2:18 ante. Then kada they are ready to sleep. These people ready to sleep. These people ready to have their lunch. We going for lunch. Right. Okay. Next one is what? Dubai. How to get the Dubai time? Asia. Dubai is Asia continent, right? Asia slash city name, not country name. Dubai. Now, if you want to get the Dubai, DUB. Dubai time. What is the Dubai time? Dubai time is what? 10:18:58. 10:18. 1.5 hour difference. Okay, na? Right. Karachi. Asia slash Karachi. So this is going to be Karachi time. What is the Karachi time? Half an hour after us. 11:19. But what is our time? 11:49. Half an hour difference between India and Pakistan. Right. So now you want to get the time of New Zealand right now. Auckland City. AUCK. Auckland. Auckland is in Pacific continent. Pacific slash. You have to write the city name. AUCKLAND. Auckland. What is the time of Auckland right now? Yeah, Auckland time is what right now? Auckland time is what? Evening 7:19, and they are ready to take their dinner. We are in dinner. We are going to have lunch. Right. Somebody is taking. What is the time in London right now? London. London continent is what? Europe. EUROP. Europe slash London. How do I know these values? And Google for them. What are these are called? These are called time zone identifiers. Technically called time zone identifiers. Which country time zone identifier you need? Google for it. You will get the identifier. Keep this here. You will get the particular country. What is the time in London right now? London. What is the time in London? LON. London. 4.5 hours difference. Early morning 6:20. Just wake up. They just wake up this. Time in Paris maybe 7. Maybe 1 hour. Germany. Germany city Japan. Okay. Germany capital ఏంటి? Berlin. Berlin. Europe, Berlin. 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 What is the Berlin time right now? It is going to be Berlin. What is the time in Berlin right now? 7:21. London time is 6:21. 1 hour difference between London and Berlin. Because Germany, France, they're all the countries, right? Yeah. Australia. What is Australia time? Singapore also, if you want to know Singapore. What is the Singapore time? Singapore. What is the time in Singapore? 2 hours or 4 hours? Singapore. And we are all learning this programmatically. And how to get the times of the particular countries. Invalid. Singapore. Singapore. Correct? Singapore. Singapore. Asia. Sorry, very good. This is Asia. ASIA Asia, not Europe, right? That's why there is error. Maybe what's the time in Singapore? 2:22 afternoon. 2:22. Right? Our time is 11:52. How much difference? 2.5 hour difference is there roughly, right? Like this. Likewise, which country time you want to identify, you can come here. You can provide the time zone identifier, and you will get the information. No need to write everything. Just write one or two and leave it. And when you are working, you practice the same thing. Okay? Right. No need to write everything. Just write one or two. So, మీరు అందరూ వాట్సాప్ స్టేటస్ పెడతారా? విల్ యూ పుట్ వాట్సాప్ స్టేటస్ పెడతారు కదా? ఎంతమంది చూసారు ఏంటి అనేది కావాలి కదా? లేదా డోంట్ నీడ్, వీఆర్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, రైట్? But when you are having WhatsApp status, after putting WhatsApp status, after 5 minutes you are going to check who watched it. Who watched it? Yes, sir. 10 people watched it. After 20 minutes you are checking, 30 people watched it. After 1 hour you are checking, 100 people watched it. At the end of the day you are checking, how many people watched it? 5,000 people watched it. Okay, na? Like this we are checking, right? But you observe anything in that? I observed one thing in that. For example, you put a WhatsApp status. Okay, Sushma, you had a WhatsApp status. I seen you at this time. But how you are able to see, 10 minutes ago, Ram sir watched it. 20 minutes ago, somebody watched it. 30 minutes ago, somebody ago. 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, you will get that. You watched it. What is that ego? I mean, the time you posted the status, the time which I seen the status. Difference between the time you posted, difference between the time I saw. Generally, this time is called elapsed time. What is called elapsed time? Elapsed time ante enti? Elapsed time ante enti? Elapsed ante enti? Gadichipoyina kalam. అదే కదా time. Elapsed time means what? The time you posted, the time I seen. You have to subtract it, na? Then only you will get the time. You posted just now 11:30. I seen right now. How many seconds? 25 minutes ago I watched. But you posted it. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. మీకు అంటే put a WhatsApp status. You observe the status. How many watched? Maybe you will get the things, right? Okay, let's explore about this on Monday session. Let us finish this also on Monday session. Okay, na? Right. On Monday session, we will give you some assignments also, date and time library, that we will see. For example, some assignments like this. If I given the date of birth, I want to get the number of years of age. How many years age? 37 years, 4 months, 5 days. Like this I want to get. అంటే మీరు ఇది ఉంటుంది కదా ఏజ్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఆన్లైన్లో, యూ విల్ సీ ఏజ్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ నా హౌ దిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ గివ్, టెల్ మీ డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్. June 14th 2020 20 20 2000 Okay, let us write 2000. Right now, calculate 23 years, 9 months, plus 16 days you are. It is giving, I want like this. Right. For example, let me take my date of birth. When I was July 25th. So this is going to be, what is the year? Sorry? 1987. Okay. Calculate this. What is my age? 36 years, 8 months, 5 days. I may look like 36 years? No? No? Okay. Just I am asking you. Right. How many days this is going to be? 36 years, 8 months, 5 days. Okay. It is like this. Okay. Right. It's not the matter. How to calculate this type of things? How to calculate elapsed time? Ask ChatGPT. ఇప్పుడు ChatGPT ఎలా అడగాలి? Right. Write a function. ఇలా అడుగుతున్నాను చూడండి all of you. Write a function to calculate elapsed time between two dates. Write a logic. Write a function in JavaScript. In JavaScript also write it. Otherwise, it will give some other code in JavaScript to calculate the elapsed time between the two dates. Like ఎలా రావాలి ఇది నాకు? Years, months, days ago. This is the input I prompted. I'm hitting enter. Okay now? Right. Let us copy the code. Copy the code. Let me paste here. Earlier we created such a file, right? Yeah, I'm pasting the same code here. No worries about it. Yeah, remove this code. Done. Now I'm going to run this file. If you can run this file, open a default viewer, press F12. In the console, what are we getting? 4 years, 2 months, 28 days ago. This is the logic I need actually. Okay, what is the time I have here? This is the timer 2020 na 4 years kada. Okay, I am writing 2024 03. What is today? 30 11:30 11:30 a.m. Okay, if I can run this file, what I will get? 0 months, 0 nothing. But I need minutes and hours and seconds also. And I write the logic again. What is the logic? You have to write it again. So you written only up to here na. Edit this. So hours ago, days ago, minutes ago. Right, hours, days, hours ago, hours, minutes, and seconds ago. See, ChatGPT again will generate the code. Na? See, previously we are requiring one thing, we are getting the output as per that. Now customer is asking about I need time also. Then what I have to do? Right, let us go and check this. Is writing logic again, right? Yeah, it is creating one more function again. Yeah, it's create the logic and now you copy the code. Now I'm copying the code. Let's keep the code inside the same function. Previous code is different. Right now the code is different. Okay. Now I'm going. What is the time right now? This is the time they given. Right. If I can run this file, and what is the output I'm going to get? So okay, they are giving object. No worries about it. And what is the years? We have to convert this into the format whatever we need. And whatever you need, you can convert it. No problem. So by using for in method, we can iterate each and every item. We get the values. No problem. Okay. This is all okay. See, 100% it is not giving the logic. 95% is given. Remaining 5% we have to convert as per our requirement. Okay, as per our requirement, we have to convert this. So right now 2024, this is going to be 03. This is going to be 30. Okay. What is the time right now? Time is going to be 11:30. This is going to be seconds 30. Right. What is the time exactly? Half an hour difference is there, na? Can I get that half an hour difference? Nan, everything nan. Why everything is nan? Maybe I have to attach everything. Maybe I think. If you can refresh it again, yeah, you are getting everything. You see. What are the minutes? Minutes you are getting. Seconds you are getting 40. Minutes you are getting something. Months are not required. Why? Because just now, na. So then, how do I concatenate all these things? That we need to check it. Okay, na? Right. Don't worry. This logic we have to convert into string only. This is how. See, I'm telling you again. You should know how to use AI tools to achieve your task. To achieve your task, you have to be very careful inside out. Chalo. Let's meet on Monday. Let's finish this.